Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we're going to show you the top 5 handheld scan tools for Citroen vehicles in 2024 and 2025. We'll show you the cheapest through to the most expensive and explain what kind of features and functions each of these tools have. We will put links to these kits in the description and the pinned comment so that it makes it easy for you to find them, but do be careful of fakes and clones that you can find online. Using the links that I put below will take you to the genuine and official products, okay? And at the end of the video I'll show you which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money needing to use a tool on my Citroen vehicle, okay? So if it was my personal money, which of these tools would I use, and I'll tell you at the end of the video. And if by the end of this video you're still unsure about which tool to go for, then I'll pop the email address in the description below this video and you can contact us directly. Give us your vehicle information, what you're looking to get out of the tool, and we'll recommend something for you based on your specific requirements, okay? At the end of the video as well, I will show you a really high-end tool as well. So let's say if money was no object and you were looking for the absolute best tool, then I will show you which tool we would recommend in that specific circumstance as well. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with the cheapest tool, and we're starting with the iCarsoft version 1.0. This is the CP version 1.0 tool, okay? And why would somebody buy this tool? Well, if they're maybe looking to diagnose a check engine light, an airbag light, an ABS light, a transmission warning light, or something like the power steering, the central locking, or the HVAC systems aren't working, and you're looking for maybe a bit of live data, you want to diagnose the fault, maybe reset the warning light, then the CP version 1.0 is a really good tool for things like that. It'll also allow you to reset the oil service warning lights and messages that you get. So once the vehicle needs a service, it's normally serviced, and then the warning light needs to be reset, or the message needs to be reset. This tool will do that for you, okay? So that's the version 1.0 tool. We then move on to the version 2.0 tool. Actually, I've just caught that this isn't on. It should be on. There we go. This is the version 2.0 tool. This is the FR version 2.0. It's FR for French, okay? So it covers French makes and models. Now, this tool will do everything that this tool will do, but it has additional service functionality, okay? So it also does service functions such as DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding, and ABS brake bleeding. Now it is important for me to point out though that it does those functions, but not necessarily on all vehicles. So if you want to make sure any of those functions are compatible with your specific vehicle, then I would say that you need to really send us an email and we can check for you to make sure that that function does work with your specific vehicle, okay? So this one does cost a little bit more than this, but you do get more service functions from it, okay? Now, one thing I should say as well is that all of these tools, you will get free lifetime updates. There are other makes and models and other brands that offer tools where they'll give you free updates for the first year or 2 or 3 years, and after that you have to pay sometimes to the tune of £100 to £150 a year. These tools get free updates for life, okay? So that's really another advantage of using this brand. You'll always get free lifetime updates. So that's the version 2, the version 1. We then move to, you guessed, the version 3. This is the FR version 3. So again, it covers your French makes and models, and actually it covers Italian makes and models as well. But if you're looking for just a Citroen tool and you want the sort of the best software out there for your Citroen vehicle, then the FR version 3.0 is probably one to go for. This does everything that these tools will do, but this goes over and above again because it has better software, so it can cover newer vehicles. You can see that these tools look a little bit different. That's because this is built on a newer platform. It has better hardware, which means it has better software, so it covers newer vehicles and even more service functionality, okay? So when we go about the extra service functionality, this will do bi-directional control. So it does actuation tests, it does suspension calibration, transmission adaptation, air conditioning reset, engine adaptation, and other service adaptations as well. So again, if you want to double check that this is going to be suitable for your vehicle for any of those service functions, use the link in the description, use the email in the description, email us with your VIN number and we will double check that for you, okay? So that's the version 3.0. We then come to the CR Pro Kit. The CR Pro Kit has been really popular. It's been really popular for a couple of years. Let's pop that back up. And that's because this tool covers a wide range of makes and models. So let's say you have a Citroen vehicle that you're really focusing on, but you also have other makes and models in your family or your friend circle like Ford, BMW, Audi, Volvo, Toyota, Mercedes, anything really. This tool will cover all of those makes and models, okay? So this is why this has been a really popular tool. Maybe if you're upgrading your vehicle in future, you don't necessarily know what you're going to get, this tool will already cover it. The service functionality of this tool it matches the service functionality of this tool. So if you are looking to maybe diagnose, like do something like a DPF regeneration or new battery registration, injector coding, then this tool will do. But again, the same applies to these tools, to this one here. You really need to double check for the service functions to make sure that they do work on your specific vehicle. Use the email, that's what it's there for, and we'll check the VIN number for you, okay? So that's the CR Pro Kit, which has been, as I say, a really popular tool. And then we come to the best tool out of the lot. This is the CR Max Kit. It does cost a bit more than these, but it has the ultimate best software, it has the ultimate best service functionality. It's a tablet-based kit, as you can see, so it's like a touchscreen kit, and because it's a tablet, you can load apps on it, your own apps, you can surf the internet, you can put your email address on, you can print out and email reports for certain vehicles. Maybe if you've had vehicles into like a workshop or garage environment, then this tool would also be good for that. And I can't stress enough how good this tool actually is. It's way better than these. And you know, again, it covers all makes and models. It does all of the service functions in a really neat and tidy tablet-based tool, okay? Now, free updates for life as well. Now, I did mention at the start of the video that I would give you my recommendation on which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal Citroen vehicle. And the first one I'd go for would be the FR version 3.0 tool, simply because the software on it just is really good. It covers a wide range of systems within the Citroen vehicles, and a wide range of service functions as well that you may not get from any of the other tools, and also the fact that it works on a lot newer vehicles as well. So the FR version 3 tool would get my nod if I was looking to just diagnose the Citroen. However, if I had a Citroen and I wanted to diagnose other vehicles as well, it would definitely be the CR Max Kit. This tool just represents such good value for money, and like I say, it not only does it cover your Citroen, but it'll cover all of your other makes and models as well. So I can't stress how good this tool is. It gives you the most bang for buck, I would definitely say, okay? So those are my recommendations. Hang on though, I should say that if all you want to do is maybe reset an airbag light, then be done with the car, or you wanted to reset a check engine light or a warning light just before you maybe sell the car, then you know, you may not even need to look past this tool here. But it's all down to personal preference, your own budget, and what you're looking to get out of the car. If you're looking to just focus on that fault, or maybe you want a tool that will also cover future faults somewhere further along the line, okay? Now I also mentioned at the start of the video that if money was no object, I would show you a tool which would be highly recommended, and it kind of does the same functions and features as the main dealer tool would do. It's the iCarsoft CR Ultra. You'll see it on screen right now. It's a fantastic kit. It does cost quite a bit of money, so for that reason it is kind of aimed at sort of dealers and garages and workshops. But you know, if you just want the absolute best tool that you can, then go for the CR Ultra by all means. But any other circumstance, then you know, these two tools will probably be the best picks, okay? So I will put the links to these kits in the description below this video, as I say, and if you do need further clarification on which tool is best for you, please do use the email address, give us your vehicle information, tell us what you're looking to do, and we'll recommend and show you a direct link to the product that you need. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps.